Welcome to our farm of fun and learning. And we can't wait to have you join our barnyard family. Let's get started and meet the animals. Cow. Meet the friendly cow with her big, gentle eyes, providing us with milk to make yummy pies. Sheep. Look at the fluffy sheep, all white and neat. She gives us warm wool for clothes, so soft and sweet. Duck. Splish, splash in the pond. The duck loves to swim, quacking happily, a joyous little hymn. Horse. The majestic horse runs with grace and might, carrying us on adventures both day and night. Chicken. With feathers so fluffy and wings to fly high, the clucking chicken lays eggs. Oh my, oh my! Goat. The playful goat loves to jump and hop, munching on leaves and grass from bottom to top. Pig. This little piggy loves to play in the mud. Oinking and snorting, she's never in a bad mood. Donkey. The helpful donkey carries loads with care. A sturdy farm friend, always willing to share. Turkey. The proud turkey displays its feathers grand, strutting around the farm on its legs so strong and tanned. Rabbit. The cute bunny with ears so long and fun, hopping and bouncing, bringing joy to everyone. Thank you for visiting our farm. We hope you enjoyed the fun and learning videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures and educational content. See you again soon.